Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how the evasion mechanic works in Dota 2. Evasion in Dota 2 is a defensive mechanic that gives a hero a chance to avoid incoming physical attacks entirely. When attacked, there is a percentage chance that the attack will miss, dealing no damage to the evading hero. You can check your evasion chance by hovering your mouse on top of a hero portrait like so, and under the defense section, you can see a evasion chance in percentage. Heroes like Phantom Assassin or Brewmaster with Storm Brawler form built have a built-in evasion mechanic, which is a crucial aspect of your hero's survivability, especially against enemy heroes who rely on physical damage. Furthermore, you can also buy items that give you evasion, such as Butterfly, which can give you 35% chance of evasion, Heaven's Halberd, which can give you 25% evasion, and Radiance, which will give you 20% of evasion chance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!